Hello guys, today I want to teach us how to make orange, carrot and lemon oil from the scratch. As you can see now, I'm peeling my oranges, but quick one, let me tell you the benefits of orange oil. Orange oil helps to reduce acne, it facilitates massage, it protects from damage, it improves the appearance of pores, it has anti-aging properties, it reduces inflammation, improves radiance, deodorizes the skin, increases clarity and promotes wound healing, amongst other benefits. So this is the first step. I wash my orange and I peel it. So I have about 5 oranges here with me. You can use any number according to your discretion. Just peel it, as you can see. Yes. Again, lemon oil. It's a very good skin cleanser, potent acne fighter, premature aging preventer. It reduces excess skin oil. It reduces greasy hair, facial toner, blackhead remover, lightens and brightens the skin, amongst others. Natural deodorant, fights bad breath. So on to the next one, the carrot oil. The carrots are washed already and then I grate them with a grater. The carrot oil, it rejuvenates the skin, it protects the skin against the sun and lightens skin tone, soothes sunburn, among others. Now I'm cutting the peels of my lemon. So I start to cut them bit by bit. As you can see, I cut everything and then I definitely pack it into another tray, a separate tray. So I'm going to do the same thing for my orange peels too. So as you can see, this is the lemon peels that I just finished cutting into small bits. Just stay close. So this is the orange peel, or let me say these are the orange peels I mean. So I'm just going to do the same thing, the same routine for the orange, just like the lemon. I cut into bits just like the previous ones. So usually after cutting into bits, we usually use olive oil as the carrier oil for these essential products. So I get glass jars, of course. They are very essential. Glass jars, I use glass jars because of the thickness, it's better to use glass jars, very tight glass jars. Just stay close, it's very easy. So to make the carrot oil, I'll just put the grated carrots into the glass jars, as simple as that. So this is a very pure and organically made carrot oil, orange oil and lemon oil. So as you can see in the video, of course your glass jars have to be clean. Everything was clean. I didn't show that part, but everything has been washed before I even started the video. So the table too is clean, so don't worry, it's I've cleaned everything. And because my carrot bits are very many, so I decided to use 2 glass jars. So like I said, you don't have to use as much carrots as I used, but I just prefer using much carrots because I need this oil. I need more carrot oil than the other oils for the forthcoming mixing I want to do. So I pour the olive oil and then I close, as simple as that. So definitely this is the orange peels that I cut into bits the other time. So as you can see, I'm putting it into the glass jars, clean glass jars. Of course, make sure everything is clean and hygienic and healthy because it's going directly into the skin. So I'm packing it into the glass jars, the glass jar I mean, and here it is. I pour my olive oil to the top, just like I did for the carrot oil too. So I'm done. I like this number of bits I used. I don't want the excess ones, that's why I didn't put it into the glass jar. So I'm going to do the same thing for the lemon oil too. So these are the lemon peel bits, then I put inside the glass jar, of course a separate glass jar. This is the 4th one. If you're watching closely, you will notice that this is the fourth glass jar and it is very clean. I cannot overemphasize cleanliness in this procedure and this process. It's very, very, very important. I do the same thing for it. Now I am packing the whole thing because lemon is, I just need it to be more concentrated than the orange one. You understand? So that's why. So like I said, you use your discretion. And after I do this, I just pour the olive oil too, just like I did for the previous ones. So I managed to use that big olive oil. I think is 1000 ml for the 4 jars. So yeah, these are the oils. Isn't this beautiful? Like, oh my god, I am not done yet. You just put it there and then get a pot, pour water into it, pour water into a big pot. So this is my own, this is like a double boiler kind of method, where you use steam to get your organic products into your oil. You infuse them into your oil, and then so I put these glass jars into the pot that's filled with water. Of course, it's not like totally filled with water because I just need the steam. Actually, is the steam I need to be able to get into. So you can see the reason why I'm using glass jars now, because it's just the safest, is better. Then I lit my gas and then it begins to steam. In a short while you're going to see the steam. Yep, here it is. So just leave it on fire. You can put it on low steam depending on you. For it could be for 30 minutes and above, 40 minutes depending on what you really want. Do you understand? And so don't let it stay too long. It's just better, but you can stay. I think mine eventually stayed for like 1 hour, I think, but it was like low heat. I was controlling it. So the next stage is sieving. So you can see my sieve there beside me. These are the 2 jars of carrot oil. So I'm going to sieve it to get the excess debris. I don't need that thing below it. I don't need it. So I'm going to sieve it to get my carrot oil out. So this olive oil was the carrot oil that we used to get the infusion of carrot into the olive oil. Stay close with me, don't be distracted. This is very easy, you can do it, but you just have to be clean and have to know what you're doing. So you sieve it, I sieve it, I squeeze the excess oil that is remaining. I squeeze it out into the oil. Do you get it? It's very simple, it's very easy, but you have to take necessary precautions, because you're making something that is going to go into your skin or into any other person's skin, so we have to be extra careful. So I'm using my spoon now to squeeze it and squeeze it and squeeze it here. Yeah, good. So here, of course, in the middle of it, I can see some carrots, some soft carrots going into the oil. It doesn't really matter, to be candid. So far I'm not putting the old debris into the oil. It doesn't really matter, it's okay. And I think this should have a shelf life of 3 years, so we are safe, we are good. We usually use olive oil as a carrot oil, olive or coconut oil, but because of the scent that the coconut oil has, it's better to use olive oil because it's lightweighted and it's a very, very good carrot oil for the skin. We use almond oil too. Almond oil is very good, so I can recommend either almond oil or olive oil depending on what you have access to. So yeah, for me almond oil is less affordable compared to olive oil, so that's why I'm sticking with olive oil. But the thing is, once you're done getting these oils from your water, from your hot water or steamed water, it becomes another oil. Now this is my carrot oil, it's no longer olive oil. I've transformed it into a carrot oil, and you can use it on your skin or in a formulation, to do whatever you want to do. Okay, so yes, I'm going to pour it back into the glass jar now, and so I'm going to do the same thing for the next oil. I'm going to do the same thing. So this is the orange oil, yes, that I brought out from the pot. So I've washed my sieve, and then I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm just going to sieve it to get out the debris, and here we have my orange oil. Isn't this good? Orange oil is very, very, very good. I've told you the benefit. The benefits cannot be overemphasized. It has citric acid and is very good. It's a very good exfoliant on the skin. One thing about orange oil is be careful not to use it under the sun. That is one thing, because it has vitamin C. So be careful. I usually tell people be careful not to use orange oil or anything that has citric acid or vitamin C serum under the sun. But anything apart from that, we are good. So orange oil is very, very, very good. It's best used at night for your skin. It's very good. So yeah, I'm squeezing out the excess, and then just like I did before, then I'll just pour my oil into the jar. So here is my orange oil. You can see it has even changed color. It's now thicker, it's now more concentrated. Remember, I said I didn't want to use the whole of that orange debris because I know it was really concentrated, and it's good for me, it's enough for me. Exactly. So we are not going to leave any stone unturned. We're going to do the same thing for lemon oil. So stay close. Exactly the same method, just do the same thing. Put your sieve on the cup, and then pour what you get brought out of the pot, pour into your sieve. The same thing goes on and on. It's a very simple process, guys. Very simple. Just take necessary precautions. Make sure you're clean, make sure you're neat while you're doing this. It is very, very, very important. So we can see the green color, the lemon green color. It has changed from the normal olive oil color into the concentrated lemon green color. So like I said, you can use it on your body, you can use it with your soap, scrub and cream formulations, which I'm going to be teaching us in next videos. So I needed to teach us how to make these oils from the scratch before we go into production. I'm going to bring production of cream, scrubs and different kind of soaps too to us. So that's why I decided to lay this foundation for us. So guys, remember to subscribe. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. This is the lemon oil. I'm just trying to squeeze the excess oil out of the peel bit, and then I'm just going to throw the debris away, just like I did for the remaining two. So thank you guys for watching. I really, really appreciate everything, your subscriptions, you coming back, your loyalty. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, share, leave a comment. I'm going to bring the 3 oils to us in a bit. Ta-da! So yeah, the carrot, lemon and orange oils. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.